Hi guys, have a question for you. Do you ever been in situation when you see an image with very beautiful colors and you just don't know how they do it? It's not necessary. We just can copy the color plate from one image and paste it to another. Stay with me and I'll show you. I picked two images from pexels.com, link in the description. Now first we have to copy the color plate from the first image. How to do it? Just go to File, Export and Save for Web. Okay, now we need only 3 colors and already have our color plate. Now let's save it to File, name it, for example, Table 1, save, and now we can close this window and let's move to the second image. Let's create a new gradient map layer. Here at the gradient we have to add these 3 colors from the color plate from the first image. Where to find them? Click Window, go to Swatches, click the drop down menu and import swatches. Don't forget to change this to color table, and here is our file. Load, and here's the 3 color. Okay, let's click on the first slide, click color, pick the first color and remember the brightness level 9.1. Click OK. In the location field type it 9.1. Okay, let's click on the second slide, click color, pick the second color, the brightness 60. Okay, in the location type 60. Let's create the third point, click the color, pick the third color, the brightness 15, in the location 15. Type OK, let's close the swatches, close this. Now we have to change the blend mode to soft white and maybe decrease the opacity. In our case 50 will be good. Okay, let's see before and after. Now we have copied the color plate from the first image to the second image, but we are not ready yet. Let's go back again to the first image. Now let's create a new empty layer and have to pick the highest tones, mid-tones and the darkest tones from the image. Don't forget on the picker to select 3x3 and sample all layers. Okay, let's pick the highest tones and paint. Let's pick the darkest tone, maybe somewhere here, okay, and paint it. Now we need also the midtones, but how exactly know where's the midtones from the image? Have a little trick. Select the background layer and go to select color range. From the drop down menu choose midtones. Okay, fuzziness to 0. I think the range is good enough. Click OK and let's copy the selected to new layer. Control Command C and Control Command V. Okay, now go to filter, blur and click average, and here's our midtones. Let's pick the color, okay, and draw it on the empty layer. Okay, now we have the highest tone, midtones and the darkest tone. Now let's copy this layer to the second image. Put it here, okay. Now we need to create a new curves adjustment layer. We have to change the white point, gray point and black point with these colors. To do it, it's very important before that to click the curves icon, not the mask, okay, and double click on the white point, click on the highest color, type OK. We don't want to save it for default, no, and then click on the highest zone on the image, maybe somewhere here, okay. Let's repeat with the midtones, double click, Click on the midtones, okay. No. Maybe somewhere here, okay. And blacks, double click. Okay. No save. Okay. Let's close this and now we can delete this layer. Okay. Now we have the correct color levels and need some final adjustments. Let's go back to the curves, and as we see it's a little bit dark. Let's correct that. Okay. Let's see the whites. Okay. Maybe we need some more colors. Let's just add a vibrance adjustment layer. Increase a little bit. Okay. Let's see before and after. And I think it's ready. Let's see the first image and the second image, before and after. The tutorial is very simple. Just remember, first copy and paste the color plates, then equalize the levels, and finally make some adjustments. I hope you like it. You will be very happy if you subscribe my channel. Bye for now and see you soon.